Hey guys, if you're thinking about beginning your juicing journey, here are a few of my top tips. The first thing you want to do is get a reputable juicer, a cold press juicer that you want to have on your kitchen counter where you can see. That way, when you wake up in the morning, you automatically are thinking about juicing. Second thing that I highly recommend, one of my biggest tips, is to always buy organic produce. Organic produce does not have pesticides or chemicals that are harsh for your health or your body. So that's the second tip. The third tip you want to be able to get is a variety of produce: kale, spinach, apple. You want to be able to get celery, cucumbers. So get a mix of vegetables and fruits. Watermelon, pineapple, those are very good for you, and you can make a lot of different combinations for juicing. Fourth thing that I highly recommend is prepping. Prepping is essential when it comes to beginning your juice journey. And how do you prep? I typically get all my celery, I cut it up, wash it, put it in a Ziploc bag, and I can show a different video showing that. Cucumbers, pineapples, watermelon, cut them up, wash them properly, and then put them in a Ziploc bag so that once you're ready to start your juicing, you have them ready, and it saves you a ton of time. Have fun with your juicing journey. Juicing is absolutely the best investment that you can do for your health. I call it the magic liquid vitamin. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like all my healthy tips around juicing and holistic wellness.